In today's video, I'll show you how to easily download a backup copy of your WordPress database using the backup tool available in cPanel. So at first, log into your hosting account and then go to control panel areas such as cPanel, and then look for the Tools section. Right on the Tools page, look for the File section. Let's expand it, and then click on the Backup. Once you're on the Backup page, at the very bottom, look for this section. Download a MySQL database backup. As you can notice, we have multiple databases here. So to find the correct database which is associated with the WordPress site, log into WordPress dashboard and then hover on Tools, select Site Health. Now click on the Info tab. Then scroll all the way to the bottom, expand the database section, and the database name is right here. As you can see, in my case, it's ended with CBX21. Let's go back to cPanel, and there's the database right over here. Let's click on it. As you can see, it will download a compressed backup file to your local computer, and this file will contain all your WordPress database content, which can be used to restore your site if anything goes wrong. So as usual, I hope you found this short video helpful. For more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.